In this video, we're going to show you how to import your Kindle highlights to Obsidian. Kindle highlights allow you to save important passages, ideas, quotes, and insights while reading books on your Kindle devices and apps. Bringing these highlights into Obsidian can help you build a more connected knowledge base and make it easier to review and use what you've learned. Whether you're reading for education, research, personal development, or professional growth, importing your highlights into Obsidian gives you more control over how that information is organized and connected with your other notes. However, many users leave their highlights stored only within the Kindle ecosystem. As the number of books grows, it can become difficult to revisit key ideas and connect them with ongoing projects, research, or personal notes. The good news is that Obsidian can be used to organize and manage Kindle highlights in a structured and searchable way. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to import your Kindle highlights into Obsidian and organize them effectively. So let's get started. The first step is to access your Kindle highlights. Depending on your setup, you can view your highlights from your Kindle device, the Kindle app, or through Amazon's highlights management tools. Next, export or copy the highlights that you want to bring into Obsidian. Some users prefer exporting highlights book by book, while others organize multiple books at once. Once you have access to the highlights, open Obsidian and create a dedicated folder for reading notes or book highlights. This helps keep your imported content organized. Next, create a new note for the book associated with the highlights. Add information such as the book title, author name, reading date, and a short summary if desired. Now paste or import the highlights into the note. You can organize them under headings such as key quotes, important ideas, action items, or personal reflections. Review the imported highlights and make any formatting adjustments needed. You can also add tags related to the book's subject matter, such as productivity, business, psychology, technology, history, or other topics. Another useful step is adding links between highlights and other notes in your vault. For example, if a highlighted concept relates to a project, research topic, or existing note, create a link to build a stronger knowledge network. As you continue importing highlights from additional books, your vault will gradually become a searchable library of insights and ideas. In most situations, this is all you need to do. Now let's quickly recap what we covered. First, access and export your Kindle highlights. Second, import the highlights into organized notes within Obsidian. And third, use tags, folders, and links to make your reading notes easier to manage and explore. Remember that highlights become much more valuable when they are connected to the rest of your knowledge system. Organizing your Kindle highlights in Obsidian can make important ideas easier to review, reference, and apply in future projects. This is especially useful for students, researchers, writers, content creators, and lifelong learners who regularly collect information from books. Taking a few minutes to organize your highlights today can help you get more long-term value from everything you read. And that's how to import your Kindle highlights to Obsidian. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who use Obsidian. Your support helps us create more tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and productivity tips to help you get the most out of your digital tools. If there's another Obsidian feature or issue you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your suggestions and ideas for future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.